Okay, so myself Apurva, I will be taking today a topic that is on chemistry. And in this today's chemistry topic, we'll be learning about materials and their structures. In these materials and their structures, we are going to look particularly about the covalent bonding and the molecular formation, how the two bonds come together and form a bond. Okay, at the end of the lecture you will understand what is the difference between covalent, what is the molecular formation which is happening exactly over there. Next, basically, what is a covalent bond? See, the term covalent itself says that I am cooperative. Now in this cooperative valency, and the term valent means related to valency. In this covalent there is a cooperation between the valence. Valence means what? Electrons which are present in the outer shell. Valency means what? Outer shell electrons. Outer shell electrons. See this image here, this electron, this one has been shared. This is been shared. Okay, means what? They have these both atoms have cooperated with each other and they have shared this electron. So sharing is again what it is carrying, so called covalent bond. Okay, here in the covalency again these two electrons are being shared with each other, so they are again cooperating with each other. The bond formed between the two non-metals by sharing of electron is called that it is a covalent bond. See, the main thing is that you need to understand whatever we are teaching to you. So covalent bond is something when there is a sharing of electron. Now sharing of electron between whom? This is the main MCQ. Sharing of electron occurs between the two non-metals. Now let's talk something about these things. Okay, I said that non-metal has to be there. Has to be there. Now is it really required that non-metal is required? So non-metal, for example, if I'm taking chlorine has an atomic electronic configuration as 2 8 7. In this there are 7 electrons. Again, this is what? Outermost shell. Outermost shell means what? This is the valence electrons, and we know that each and every element needs a stability. Now stability means what? Means they wanted to act like a noble gas. For noble gas there should be the two rules. First is octet rule and another one is the duplet rule. So now chlorine has 7, so it will do what? There are two cases what it can do. Okay, first is it can gain one electron. Otherwise in second case it can lose all 7 electrons. So for it, which is much better for me, whether it is to gain or to lose? So it is better to gain the 1 electron rather than losing all the 7. So that this is the thing why what happens where chlorine gains 1 electron. And why we are gaining this electron? We are gaining this electron to complete our octet rule. So chlorine, this is 1, that is 2 8 7, will bond with another chlorine, that is again 2 8 7. And how it is bonding? The 7th electron here, the 7th electron, and here the 7th electron gets bonded. Like if this is my 2 8 7, this is the 7th chlorine of this, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 7th. So again in this another chlorine, this will be my another chlorine 2 8 7, which is this another 7th electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is something where it is shared. So after sharing, will it is going to complete the octet rule? Yes, it is going to complete the octet rule, because if we go to look for this one, so can you see, here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So it means it is following the octet rule, and this is how they both becomes stability, with showing a Cl2, that is diatomic structure. Okay, and mostly non-metals only show the covalent bondings. Next, introductions to the molecules bonding covalently. Now this is again, a molecule is formed when two or more atoms come together. This is the basic. Two atoms has to come together in order to form some bond. Atom form molecules by sharing. Again I am telling, covalent bonds means sharing. Now up till the end of the chapter, you need to understand something covalent is something sharing. A covalent bond is a strong force of attraction between atoms that results from sharing. Again I am telling, sharing. This is covalent bond again, and see, in this picture there it is telling, this atom is telling that I can't get an electron from you, so neither can I give you ones. Means this is the one who cannot give the electron. So what this green color, this green forest is telling, let's just share the electron. Okay, so this is again the cooperation, which is something called covalent bonds. Next, now how the covalent bond formation takes place. So in the covalent bond, atom shares a pair of electron. This we have understood many a times. Now I have told that sharing to fill their outermost electron's shell. The shared electron pairs form a stable bond. Why stable? Because both of them are completing their octet state. See chlorine, Cl2's example has been given. Again hydrochloric acid, but hydrochloric acid in Cl2, they both are non-metal, but what about hydrogen and chlorine? Chlorine is non-metal 100%. What about hydrogen? See, hydrogen shows an exceptional behaviors. Means it can act as metal also, as well as non-metal also. So it has some different behaviors which we have to learn.